morning, everyone. It's early. It's early. 7:45. I mean, okay, to some people that might not be early, but to me, that's early. Today, I'm gonna do a day in my life video. I'm just gonna take you along with me throughout my day. I love watching these type of videos, so I thought it'd be fun to film one. My plan for today, I have a midterm at 9, so I'm gonna do that pretty soon. But first, I'm gonna get my coffee because that will make me motivated. And then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna film a few YouTube videos, and then I'm gonna clean my whole apartment. Like, I'm gonna deep clean my apartment. These are the two things that I use in my coffee. So I use the almond milk, the vanilla almond milk from Trader Joe's, and then I use the Chobani white chocolate mocha coffee creamer. This isn't non-dairy, but it's just really good, so I can't really, help myself. I have my coffee. I use a straw. I don't know why. It's like 8:45 now, so I'm gonna just get everything ready for my midterm, get all my notes up and all that, and then I'm gonna do my midterm, and then we'll get ready for the day. And yeah, I finished my midterm. It went very well. I was gonna start getting ready and film my videos, but I'm literally starving. I haven't had anything. I'm gonna make some hash browns. These are the ones from Trader Joe's. They're my favorite. They're so good. I make some eggs with it. So what I do is I cook the hash browns, put salt and pepper. I mix the eggs together, like basically like you're making scrambled eggs. And I just put the eggs over the cooked hash browns and then mix it all together. And there you go. It's like my go-to breakfast. It's easy, it's yummy. So that's what we're gonna do. And while I'm cooking, I'm gonna do the dishes, kind of clean up the kitchen, wipe the counters down, then eat. And then once I'm done eating, I'm gonna start getting ready and film my videos. And I'm gonna do laundry. I have a whole list of things that I need to do. I have to do laundry, I have to clean the rest of my apartment, put clothes away. I'm making my eggs. I use 4 eggs because I'm hungry. I get this shredded cheese blend from Trader Joe's, and I put it in the eggs before I whisk them together. Because I want to make cheesy eggs. Because I love cheese. I could literally put cheese on anything, and I'd eat it. Add a good amount of cheese to the eggs. Once I'm done with that, then I can whisk up all the eggs and the cheese together. And then I put the egg and cheese mixture into the hash browns. I also add salt and pepper in my eggs just because I love extra flavor. I'm trying to cut down on salt, but it's really hard because I love salt. I could literally put salt on everything, especially garlic salt. Garlic salt's my weakness because that I can put on literally anything. I just add my egg mixture around like that. And then I just let the eggs cook and mix it all together. Sometimes I add more cheese, but this time I'm not. Ignore my dirty stove, by the way. I'm cleaning it today. I'm eating my breakfast. It doesn't look appetizing. I put a lot of hot sauce on it. It really doesn't look appetizing, but I promise it is. I'm gonna drink a yerba mate, which I really shouldn't do. I already had a cup of coffee. I feel like I have energy already, but I don't really have juice. I want something fruity right now, so this is the only thing, the closest thing I have to that. So I'm gonna drink it. I'm probably gonna be off my rocker. Just finished. Oh, I didn't do my eyebrows. I have to do my eyebrows. Hold on. Well, I was gonna say I just finished getting ready, but I forgot to do my eyebrows. So I'm gonna do those, and then I'm gonna start filming YouTube videos. I've been stalling. What is that wrong? Okay. I'm stalling so much. I've been on TikTok, making TikToks, whatever, when I need to be doing this instead. I'm gonna film a vision board video, and then I'm gonna film, I don't know what else I'm gonna film. Now I'm officially ready. So I'm gonna go film those YouTube videos. After that, we'll make some nails, and then we'll clean and do whatever else. I'm giving myself a time limit of how much I can work today because I've been working all day basically, and it's already 2 o'clock. So I'm gonna give myself until 5:36, and then I have to do my dishes, clean, do my laundry, whatever else I need to do. I just finished filming my vision board video, and now I'm gonna start editing it, and then I'm gonna just upload it right away. I'm trying to upload as much as I can, so yeah. So I finished editing my video, and I'm just uploading it now. 4 o'clock or 4:30 somehow. This day has like flown by. I don't know what's going on. I started doing my laundry because I told myself that I was gonna do that today, so I'm gonna get on that. I'm gonna film some more videos as my laundry's being done. And then yeah, dripping sweat right now. It's actually disgusting. Like it's really gross. I just brought my laundry down, and for some reason that was just a lot. I don't know, it's hot outside, so like it's just hot. Put all my clothes in, and then I'm gonna do my towels next, and then we'll go from there. While we're waiting for my laundry to be done, I'm gonna do my dishes. That was for Depop. I'm gonna do my dishes, and I'm basically just gonna clean the kitchen and take out the trash and stuff, and then we'll do my room next.